It's fake kills.
Original, puffing on me high grade, sipping on me liquor. Girls them a come, them a want, them a take her. Batman me a coming, me a wanna take her. Girls them a come, them a want it on the nigga. I steady sipping on my liquor. Then I tell her me she give her never trust another nigga. I say she give me pon the nigga. Say she feeling on the nigga. Say she want another nigga. I who's that? Baby tell me who's that? Look back, baby make you look back. I move that, way you move that. Touch that, baby.
What is up, you guys? And of course, we are back again in 2020 with another voiceover. As you guys can see, I'm just unboxing my package as I received it. As you guys can see, they go over and beyond at Victoriaswig, and they added so many really dope products in the bag that I got the wig in. You guys saw I got beauty blenders. I got this small little bag with all my wig essentials. I got an elastic band, DT Wena, wig cap. I got a lot, honestly, and I really appreciate them for this. They just really got the whole packaging and the experience of the hair on lock. You guys will also see that the hair started off as 613 blonde. Then I went ahead and I dyed the hair. So long story short, I had to end up dyeing the hair 3 times. I did watercolor and then I used 2 other dyes. I'm gonna leave all the details for those dyes in the description box below. I was gonna show you guys, but then after a while I started getting tired of recording myself dyeing the hair because it was just taking way too long. And so we had to just do what it had to do. If you guys would like any more information on Victoriaswig and how you guys can go about purchasing their wigs, please do check out my description box. All the information will be there for you guys. And please do enjoy my video. Okay guys, just a few specs on the hair. The hair is a 20-inch lace wig. It is absolutely beautiful, very dense, very full. This hair did come as 613 blonde from Victoriaswig, as I already let you guys know. Then I went ahead and I dyed it, and I had planned to show you guys the full dyeing experience, but I ended up having to dye this hair about 3 times. I used 3 different colors, so you guys will see there are different sort of shades of blue in here because listen, I dyed it a couple times. So yeah, if you guys would like any more information on Victoriaswig, please go ahead and check out my description box below. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.